Very warm welcome to everyone. I am Richa Mittal, counselor at Sudisha, and today we have a golden opportunity to meet with Dr. Geeta Challa. So before doing that, I would like to say something that just few days back we did Balamitra. It was a 21 days program and it held in two languages, English and Telugu. And I'm so happy to report that it was a grand success. It was covered by a lot of newspaper and TV channels. And the parents and the kids, they all are looking for such more kind of program. So keeping in mind their demand and their request, Dr. Geeta Challa has come up with more program for them so that because of this pandemic, the holiday has extended and everyone wants to spend their time in a more productive way. So today we have Dr. Geeta Challa who has come up with a new concept called Creative Smart Kid. Now, I am sure many questions would have been popping up in your mind. So I'll request Dr. Geeta Challa to say something about it. Over to you, ma'am.
Right. So Richa, very happy. And Richa was one of the very active and dynamic counselor in Balamitra. Most of the kids know Richa auntie. So now we thought we should come back because vacation is extended, as Richa said, and kids are at home, ideal. So, and some schools are starting from mid of this month, and some schools are starting again, end of this month, and some schools may extend more also. So we thought of, having this again, one more program, which is Creative Smart Kids, which will be running for 21 days. Okay. This will be running for 21 days. And most importantly, we kept in mind that the timings are not in the morning. So we are doing this program in the evening so that all the kids can happily, if they have something with the school they can do, or if they have something with the tuition they can do, and happily आराम से खाना खा के थोड़ा सो जाके उठ के 5 बजे fresh they can come for the Creative Smart Kids. Yes, Richa, that's a new program we are coming up, Creative Smart Kids.
Yes, ma'am. It was so nice, that you thought about that they should be able to do when they are done with their schoolwork, no pressure of homework, and aram se they can relax. It was a nice idea. But ma'am, still I'm having a lot of questions. Like, it's for which age group?
Yes. So basically, we are looking at this as again a comprehensive program. We thought of dividing, but again, because of parents' request only, we made it into one program where we are, giving opportunity for the kids from 6 years to 16 years. Okay. And it is designed in such a way that every child will enjoy the program. There is no doubt about it.
Good coverage, ma'am. 6 to 16 years.
Yes.
But then what about the content?
Yes. So this is, we named, the name itself is telling that Creative Smart. Okay. Creative Smart. We are trying to, design activities or give you activities which will stimulate both the sides of the brain. Creativity is the right brain, and that logical thinking and smartness is the left brain. So we are trying to have activities which will stimulate the brain of the child, right brain and left brain both. So we have creative activities, art activities, which includes art activities. We also have craft activities, and we have something to do with creative thinking, creative writing, and doing something on paper. Okay, so all things related to creativity. And the second one is, as we said, smart skills, smart kids. Smart kids is like they should be smart in their life. So we are trying to cover all the life skills. According to WHO, we have 10 life skills: problem solving, decision making, communication, stress management. There are self-awareness. There are so many. So all those things will be, taught in 21 days. So brain gym, one more important thing is every day we want to have brain gym, which, really the kids in Balamitra liked. So
it was a big hit.
Yes. So we want to have a brain gym also.
So, yes. Ma'am, in 21 days, we are touching almost all the aspect, because in the morning I read, that creativity, how much you use, it never finishes, it grows more.
Yes. Yes.
So I think we are going to have a wonderful program where we are touching all the aspect of a growth of a child.
Right.
So I'm just looking for it, ma'am, and we'll be very happy to be the part of it.
Right.
And ma'am, then what about the materials? What the kids should do?
Right. So everything will be posted in the group. So as we have done in Balamitra, all the material requirement will be posted in the group every day morning, and the home activities will also be posted in the evening after the session, so that they will be doing it. And the feedback which the parents gave last day gave us a lot of energy. And so we thought we should come back with a beautiful and well-planned program. So we took this much time to come back to you. So now we are ready. And we are starting this Creative Smart Kids on 10th of June, and it will be for 21 days.
And ma'am, how people can enroll?
So below the box, below this video, you have the box. There we have the link, and also you can find it in my status. You can find it in all of our counselor status, including Richa. So the link is available, and the Google form is available. The poster is available, and we are available. So we are just waiting for your kids to join us and enjoy again 21 days journey. I repeat, it is not going to touch your morning schedule. It is in the evening 5 to 6. Don't worry if the school is starting, if the tuitions are starting, if anything is starting, this is something bonus for your child where he can relax in this pandemic third wave. So the second wave, and looking very badly, we are listening many things about the third wave. So better let the child relax, and also you relax and enjoy this 21 days journey along with Manojagriti team. Welcome. Want to see you all along with Richa.
Thank you, ma'am. And I'm very much sure the rapport building, the connection which we had with all our Balamitras will be continued with all our new students.
Right.
And at the end of the 21 days, we all will be able to see a shift from before 21 days and after 21 days. We will be able to see, it will be very much visible. So please, parents and students, grab this opportunity and let the child spend their time in a more productive and constructive way. So please, there are limited seats, grab the opportunity and enroll as soon as possible. Thank you, Dr. Geeta Challa, for taking out time and having a talk with us. Thank you so much.
Namaste. Looking forward. Thank you so much.
Thank you.